In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam games not showing up in library. First, you can restart Steam. Close Steam completely also from the system tray, reopen Steam and check your library again. Also, you can check filter settings. In your library, click the games drop down or filter menu. Make sure all games is selected. You're not filtering by installed, favorites, or hidden. Also, check your account. Make sure you're logged in into the correct Steam account. If you have multiple accounts, log out and try another one. Fourth, check hidden games. In the library, click View, then Hidden Games. Right-click any hidden game and select Remove from Hidden if you find them there. Also, reinstall or re-add game folders. Open Steam Settings, go to Steam Settings, Storage, or Downloads Steam Library folders. Then, click Add Drive or Folder and point to where the games are installed, like for example, Steam Library. If all of that still not works, clear Steam Cache. Go to Steam, Settings, and Downloads, click Clear Download Cache, and log in again when prompted. And that's it. That's how you fix Steam games not showing up in library.